Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Karasuno made it to the national tournament. For essentially the past 3 years of the manga, we have been reading about their various matches. I've posted about their game against Inarizaki and the battle at the garbage dump, which resulted in their long-awaited victory over Nekoma. 12 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Karasuno High School. Karasuno High School, Wuyi Gaoshao, is a fictional public high school, located in the Miyagi Prefecture in northern Japan. The school is based on the real-life Karumai High School in the Iwate Prefecture.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Come on, he's the main character of the series. Of course Hinata of all characters will go pro. Not only that, but Hinata has this personality that just refuses to let him stay still. The manga is showing how much he takes initiative in the improvement of his own game. 25 January 2017.
Take our lead.
After what seemed like forever, Karasuno finally won its match against Inarizaki in crow-like spectacular fashion. That victory means that the next match they play is against arch-rival Nekoma. 11 March 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.